subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the color changing pen trick. Well, this is the second version of it. I made a tutorial on the first version quite long ago, and link to that video is given in the video description as well as in the cards. So in today's video, let's check out the second version, how it looks like, and after that we're going to get into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, you can see over here I have a black pen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a shake and it actually changes into a red pen. So let's see how you can do this trick. Okay friends, for this trick you need two identical pen or two identical markers with different colored bodies. Now you're going to hide one of this in the palm just like this. You're going to keep the pen over here along this diagonal area of this palm, and you're going to just put it like this. You're going to hold it right over here with your thumb and your middle finger right over here with the ring finger going underneath the pen. So this is the current position of your pen, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold the other pen just like this. So this is how you're going to hold the pen at the beginning of this trick. Now what you're going to do is you also have to keep in mind that this, if the pen is actually kept like this, the cap is facing towards you guys. So what you're going to do is, if the cap is over here, you're going to hold the other pen with the cap near it, or if the pen was like this, you're going to just reverse it and hold the ends of the pen together just like this, and you're going to just tilt this side so that your audience don't see this pen is hiding over here. And what you're going to do is, after that, as you keep this black pen over here, you're going to do the flip stick move with this black pen. And I have actually taught how the flip stick move looks like. It's actually a flip stick pen vanish tutorial, and the link is given in the video description. Go and check it out. So you're going to do that flip stick move with this pen, and what you're going to do is simultaneously you're going to just come over here with your thumb and you're going to open this pen up with the help of your ring finger, and you need to do that very fast so that it happens in the blink of an eye. So you're going to hold the pen just like this and you're going to turn towards this side. Then as you do the vanish, you're actually going to turn this side because you're going to hide this pen. So this is the move, just like this. While changing the pen, you're actually turning your body. So all of these things happen simultaneously and very fast, like in the blink of an eye, just like this. And make sure that you have to practice for a long time, and to perfect it you have to just practice and practice and practice in front of a mirror. And the main problem which will arise is, while you are doing this vanish, it's okay, but when you are opening this pen, it will land somewhere around here or maybe here, for example just like this. So you're not actually holding the pen. For some moment it is actually over here. So if you are a beginner, you might practice this a couple of times so that you can get into that position very fast. Even for me, I don't even get into that position very fast, but yes, with practice I've almost perfected it. And if you are a beginner, what you are going to do is you're going to open this pen up near about this finger and strike it over here. Then you're going to hold it just like this, so it looks like that the pen has just opened from over here. So that's a tip for the beginners, but yes, with practice you have to do it like this way. You have to try to do like this so that it is more visual, and that's how you actually do this color changing pen trick. So I hope you enjoyed learning the second version of the color changing pen trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @shol_zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.